We are in Burkina Faso. For one of our key clients in the telecommunications sector, we have implemented an advanced solar energy system, perfectly designed to meet the demanding requirements of their operations and ensure uninterrupted power supply to their telecom antennas. This project features an 8-kilowatt peak solar photovoltaic park, a 12-kilowatt three-phase inverter, and 4 lithium batteries with a total capacity of 20 kilowatt hours. Manufactured by GSL Energy, one of the global leader lithium battery manufacturers, these batteries use grade A lithium cells and deliver exceptional longevity with over 6,500 cycles, guaranteeing reliable and long-lasting performance. With this solar solution, our client has drastically reduced their reliance on diesel generators, significantly lowered their energy costs, and ensured continuous power availability, even during grid failures or generator outages. The outcome? A highly satisfied client who is already exploring plans to roll out this solution across all their telecom sites nationwide. At Metavolt Energy, we collaborate with top-tier engineers and global manufacturers to deliver customized high-performance solutions tailored to your large-scale energy projects. Choose trusted professionals and premium quality equipment to fully maximize the benefits and long-term profitability of solar energy. Metavolt Energy, your reliable partner for a sustainable and energy-efficient future.